Chia seeds. They're tiny, but don't be fooled. These little guys can transform your energy, digestion, and even help with weight loss if you eat them the right way. But here's the thing. Most people are eating them the wrong way, and that can be harmful or totally useless. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to eat chia seeds, the best time to take them, and 3 simple recipes you can try starting today. Stick around till the end, because I'll share a chia recipe that works like a natural detox. I use it myself. Let's be honest. You've probably seen chia seeds in a detox drink or heard they help with weight loss. But do you know why or how much to take? What if I told you just 1 tablespoon a day could improve your digestion, give you energy, and keep you full for hours? If you've ever eaten chia seeds, comment below your experience, good or bad. I want to hear your story. Why chia seeds are so powerful. Chia seeds are more than a trend. They're a complete superfood. They're rich in fiber, omega-3s, good fats for brain and heart, protein, antioxidants, slow down aging, calcium, magnesium, and iron. 1 tablespoon has around 5 grams of fiber. That's a big deal for your gut. How to eat chia seeds the right way. Here's where most people mess up. They eat chia seeds dry. That's dangerous. Why? Because chia absorbs 10 times its size in liquid. It can swell up in your throat and cause choke, so always soak them first. That's rule number 1. Soaked in water. 1 tablespoon chia seed, 1 glass water. Let sit for 30 minutes. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. This helps digestion, boosts energy, and can even suppress appetite. Add to smoothies or shakes. Add to banana, dates, or protein smoothies. Texture becomes slightly thick but very filling, keeps you full for hours. Chia pudding. 3 spoon chia plus 1 cup milk, any kind, plus honey. Leave overnight. Add fruits like banana, mango, berries. Makes an amazing breakfast or snack. Best time to eat chia seeds. When should you eat chia seeds for maximum benefit? Morning. Soak chia on an empty stomach, helps with detox and digestion. Afternoon. Add to lunch smoothie to avoid unhealthy snacks later. Pre-workout. Boosts energy and keeps you hydrated. Don't eat more than 2 tablespoons per day, and drink plenty of water. Real health benefits. Improves digestion, helps with weight loss, feeling full equal to no overeating, boosts energy and focus, good for skin and hair, reduces inflammation. People who eat chia regularly feel more energetic, less bloated, and snack less throughout the day. Chia detox water. This is my personal favorite. The chia lemon detox drink ingredients: 1 glass warm water, 1 spoon soap, chia, 1 spoon lemon juice, a pinch of black salt or honey optional. Drink this 15 to 20 minutes before breakfast. You'll feel clean, refreshed, and less hungry through the day. Try this drink for 7 days and let me know how you feel. So now you know how to eat chia seeds, how much to eat, and when to eat them. Don't just watch. Try it. Start tomorrow and see the changes for yourself. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe. I share weekly health tips that actually work. No fake hacks. Have questions about chia or want more natural health videos? Drop your comments below. I'm here to help. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy. Stay strong.